Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we are going to discuss about it is a technical interview question how to prove string is an immutable in Java. So first we will discuss what is string immutable. String immutable means once we have created string object in Java, then we cannot modify its content, and if we are trying to change its content, then a new object will be created with the new object, the new content. Okay, let's start to write the code and prove string is an immutable. So here I have created two strings, string s1 and string s2. Here we have declared two literal s1 and s2. So when I have created string s1 Java, then the first object will be created in string constant pool area. That is our string constant pool area, that is memory scp, and first we have declared string s1. So our object will be created here in s1, that is Java. And when we have declared string s2 Java, then this will be pointing to the same object, that is s2 will be pointing to the same object. Then both are pointing to the same object, means both have the same content. So here I will add the condition: if s1 is equal to s2, then we can say both are pointing to same object. And in else we will use same, both are pointing to the different object. Here we can say both are pointing to different object. Now I will run this application, and here we will check output on the console. Both are pointing to the same object. Now I am going to modify the content of string s1. So here I will use s1 plus is equal to j gain. I have added Java gain. Now when I have created s1 is equal to s1 plus gain, then the new object will be created with the new content like this. This object will also be created in string constant pool area, and here new object will be created Java gain. And if we are trying to modify the content, then the new object will be created with new content. Now this object will s1 will be pointing to the this one gain Java, and now it will be not referencing to the Java. So now if I will run this application, here we'll see the output. Here we can check both are pointing to the different object. So we can say string is an immutable. And if we will try to modify the content of any object, then new object will be created. And one more thing need to check, that if we are using new keyword string str is equal to new string, and we have created object, then we need to check string is again immutable or its content is mutable. So here I have created string with new keyword, and once I have created the string with new content, new keyword, then the object will be created in heap memory, and str will be referencing to that object. And here I will print the str, and now I will modify the content of the object that I have created str, and str dot concat, and here I will add gain. Now I will again print this line after modifying the string, but here we will see the content will be same for both statements. Here we can check the output on console Java, and the object has not modified, so we can say string is an immutable object, because once we have created this and again we have created with new keyword and try to update the content, but it has referencing to the same object. So we can say string is an immutable in Java. Okay, thanks for watching this video.